Hello everyone. Someone questioned, do you have a machine to complete perforation, embroidery, and sewing together? Sure, of course we have. Richpeace perforation, embroidery, and sewing machine can help you to solve these three functions, such as automotive interiors, furniture, aircraft seat, and foot mat are using this machine. Now please look at this work and this machine. Perforation. This is the shape punched by 6 round hole knife punching head. These 6 round holes have different sizes, including 0.8 mm, 1 mm, 1.2 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, and 2.5 mm. So these knives can design 6 sizes of perforation to enrich more designs. Embroidery. This is the shape embroidered by 9-color embroidery head. It can embroider logo and pattern. The embroidery speed can be up to 1,000 stitches per minute. Sewing speed can reach 1,000 stitches per minute. And punching speed can reach 800 holes per minute. Sewing. This is the shape sewed by sewing head. I'm Lottie. We are in Richpeace. For more automation solutions, please contact us.